Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create infographics in Canva. Infographics are a great way to present information, statistics, timelines, processes, and important data in a clear and visually attractive format. Let's get started. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. On the Canva homepage, click on the search bar and type infographic. Press enter to view the available templates. You'll see many infographic templates. Choose a free template that matches your style, then click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now it's time to personalize your infographic. Click on any text box and replace the sample text with your own content. You can change titles, descriptions, numbers, or any information you want to display. Next, open the Elements panel to add icons, shapes, lines, or charts that make your infographic more attractive. If you want to include your own photo or logo, open Uploads and insert your image into the design. You can also customize the colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand or personal style. Canva makes it very easy to drag, resize, and rearrange every element until you're happy with the final design. Take a moment to review your infographic and make sure all the information is clear and easy to read. A clean layout and simple design always create a better-looking infographic. When everything is finished, click Share, then Download. Choose the file format you want, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF, and download your infographic to your device. And that's it. That's how you create an infographic in Canva. It's a fast and simple way to turn information into a professional-looking visual that you can use for presentations, social media, websites, or business projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Canva tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.